Hello everyone, in this video we will see when the agent chat is set up for your ServiceNow instance, how can you create a dashboard and the reports which will help supervisors or managers manage the queue. So let's quickly jump onto ServiceNow. I'm logged in as David Liu, who is the manager of the agent chat group. So I'll go to groups and I'll just check. And you can see agent chat group, the manager is David Liu. If you go into reports, I have created some reports already on behalf of David Liu. If you don't know how to create reports, click on the top right corner to see the basics of how to create reports in ServiceNow. So you can see there are 5 reports created by me as David Liu. The first report is of type list and the name is agent availability, and as the name suggests, it will show the status of the agents who are currently available. Secondly, there is another report called ongoing chats, which will show what are the chats which are undergoing between the agents and the end users, and this is also of list type, and if you note, this is on the interaction table. The first report is created on AWA agent presence table, and similarly we have the same ongoing chats count, which is a single score report created on interaction table. So I'll just quickly take you through agent availability report. You can see the table name as AWA agent presence, and I have added a filter called current presence state is available, and you see only one of the agent in this group, who is the system admin, is available. So he is available to chat with the end users. And moving on to the next report, you can see it is created on interaction table, and I have applied the filters agent chat is true. So this is essential to tell if there is a chat going on or is in the queue of the agents, and the assignment group is your chat group, agent chat group, or whatever the name you have kept, and the state is on hold or work in progress. So state tells you if the chat is ongoing or is on hold. Similarly, if I go into unassigned chats in queue count, the type has been selected as single score, and the table is selected as interaction, and you can see the filter agent chat is true, assignment group is agent chat group, and the state is new. So it signifies that chat hasn't been accepted yet and is in queue, and some agent has to accept it. If you see as a manager there are like 2 or 3 chats which are in the queues, it means there might be people busy or the agents are busy, so you might have to jump in and accept some of the chats yourself. Okay, so these are the 3 reports. So we'll be adding these 5 reports which are similar. The second and third are similar except the report type, and fourth and the fifth are similar except the report type again. I'll go to dashboard and I'll create a new dashboard for David Liu. If you haven't checked out my video on how to create dashboards, the link is in the top right corner. I'll just click on dashboards under self-service and I'll open it in a new tab. I'll just add a new dashboard and I'll say queue management, and I'll restrict it to the roles AWA underscore manager. So this is the role which is assigned to all the managers of the chat groups. It is not mandatory, this step is not mandatory, so you can skip this as well. I'm just putting this roles because nobody else will be able to see this dashboard except the people who have this role. So you can share this dashboard with other queue managers as well. I'll just submit this. and you see a dashboard has been created called queue management. On the right side in add widgets, I will go to reports. I'll just add the ongoing chat count, which is the single score report. So there are 0 as of now, and in front of this I'll just put the ongoing chats. I'll just resize this. Okay. And similarly unassign chats in queue, and I'll go back and I'll say unassigned chat queue count, which is the single score report again. I'll just resize this as well. And I'll move it in front of this, and I'll add the last report called agent availability on the top, which will tell us who are the agents currently available. I'll just resize this. You can create a new report of single score and maybe show this score how many agents are available, the number of agents, so it will show 1 if you create that report. So you see this dashboard has been created and it will be the default one for David Liu. And let's initiate one chat. So I'm logged in as one of the end users. I'll go for live agent support and I'll go to Mozilla browser. The system admin who was available will accept this chat, and I'll go back to my dashboard as David Liu and I'll just refresh this. So you can see there are one ongoing chat, and you can see the details of this chat. This is the end user is Alan, and it has been assigned to system admin, and the state is in work in progress. You can actually go into the interaction and view this interaction as well. And as in queue manager, if you want to barge into this chat or look into this chat that what's going on, what you can do is go to agent workspace home, make yourself as available, go to lists, and you can see an option or the list active chat interactions. If you go here, this chat will be automatically loaded, and you can see the chat history is available here, and anything the end user and the agent's chat will be available here. So David Liu can see what is the live chat going on, and he can join the conversation or send private message as well. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.